Russia ranked 7th in the world in terms of roads and highways, with a total length of 1,145,000 kilometres. That would be enough to travel round the Earth 30 times. But the condition of Russian roads leaves much to be desired. Financial losses incurred due to the underdevelopment and poor quality of the road network stand at almost 700 billion rubles annually. According to the Russian State Traffic Safety Inspectorate, 21,352 road traffic accidents occurred in the first half of 2012 because of unsatisfactory road conditions. When building roads in Russia, priority is given to asphalt coverings comprising mineral materials and asphalt binder. An asphalt road ensures better grip for tyres and prevents cars from skidding in extreme weather conditions. But an asphalt covering made of conventional bitumen can't withstand rough operational and climatic conditions and requires frequent repairs. So is there an alternative to conventional bitumen? We represent one of the largest oil companies that supplies Russian road developers with the new generation polymer modified bitumen. Alphabet is developed according to a special formulation and it's manufactured with state-of-the-art German equipment. TNK Alphabet polymer modified bitumen coverings were developed specifically for Russia and its climatic conditions, and they make it possible to build high-quality roads. Application of TNK Alphabet makes it possible to tackle such pressing problems that Russian road developers face. These include cracking and rutting of roads. This also extends the time periods between repairs exponentially, which contributes to significant budget savings and decreases road traffic congestion caused by road repairs. What's more, vehicles that travel roads built with asphalt made with the application of TNK Alphabet make far less road noise. TNK BP is the only company in the European part of Russia that uses its own bituminous materials for manufacturing polymer-modified bitumen. Polymers are purchased from the world's leading manufacturers. TNK Alphabet's a high-tech product that can only be made in high-tech conditions. Our main manufacturing facilities are located in the city of Ryazan. Bitumen is a product that quickly loses its properties during storage. Due to the close proximity of the Ryazan oil refinery, minimal time elapses between the start of manufacturing and final processing. Raw materials are delivered by road to the Ryazan pilot plant of petrochemicals. A quality assurance testing is performed at the central laboratory there. The main procedures involved in quality assurance and the manufacturing process are automated and coordinated online. Base bitumen, the so-called bitumen base, is made according to formulations derived and invented by TNK BP. The raw material is pumped into tanks for mixing. Dispensers manufactured by a German company used as mixers for blending a polymer. Interaction between the polymer and base bitumen results in stable suspension that's then pumped into tanks, where the diluting of polymer-modified bitumen takes place during a given time period. After that, the mix in the tank goes through a stage of curing. At all stages, product samples are sent to the research lab where thorough quality analysis of the polymer-modified bitumen is carried out. Properties of TNK Alphabet exceed the requirements of the state standard. TNK BP has established its own superb specifications set forth in the standards of TNK BP. Highly qualified specialists monitor the manufacturing process, and quality assurance is carried out at all stages by a certified lab equipped with state-of-the-art equipment. The homogeneity of the product is verified with an electron microscope. According to European quality assurance standards, a product that has not passed internal certification cannot be released for shipment. After internal certification, the product is put into tanks and sent to the filling line, where commercial metering is carried out. TNK BP has its own fleet of bitumen thermo carriers that transport its products to clients over great distances with minimal heat losses. All bitumen carriers are equipped with thermo-insulating jackets and temperature control. TNK Alphabet's filling temperature is recorded in its certificate. The company's transportation vehicles have GPS units. At the customer's request, TNK BP can provide detailed information about the product's movements. This way, a governmental or regional customer promptly receives information about the route of the bitumen carrier, the amount of Alphabet and its specifications at the point of filling and discharging. TNK Alphabet as a hot finished product is delivered by special bitumen carriers to an asphalt concrete mixing plant. This is done according to an approved and mandatory schedule that ensures an uninterruptible process of asphalt laying. The plant's lab carries out product analysis and confirms its specifications. The laboratory develops a formulation for the road asphalt concrete mix based on the results of the analysis and the client's requirements. After the formulation is selected, an asphalt mixing machine mixes rock material and polymer-modified bitumen into an homogeneous mass. After completion, the asphalt concrete mix is sampled and its quality is examined. From the hopper, the mix is loaded into dump trucks. Upon delivery at the point of asphalt laying, the mix is fed into an asphalt paver and then is discharged and levelled. The thickness of the layer is determined and the sealing of the asphalt concrete is performed at the final stage. The important factor in this is that the polymer-modified bitumen laying does not differ from dealing with conventional bitumen. Vehicles can run on the newly laid asphalt within a few minutes. There are companies for whom the development of reliable roads of European standards is still a project of the future. Today, TNK BP can improve the conditions of Russian roads, and we have examples to support that. TNK Alphabet has been supplied to Russia's major construction sites since 2008. Alphabet was used for the construction of the M4 Don, the Beltway in St. Petersburg, and the Formula 1 Moscow Raceway racetrack. Alphabet's used for construction of roads in Moscow and Moscow region, Leningrad region, Yaroslavl region, Vologda region, Voronezh region, Rostov region, Krasnodar territory and Karelia. TNK Alphabet's proven to be a high-quality product for construction of road services that come under increased dynamic impact. The most recent project of TNK BP is the new racetrack of Formula 1 Moscow Raceway. TNK BP organises its work with customers on the basis of partner-type relations and combines innovative products, quality assurance and an efficient logistics system that comprises effective communication with clients. The company is pursuing a course of action aimed at manufacturing and implementing new products with enhanced properties. When developing TNK Alphabet, the company first and foremost satisfied the needs of Russian road developers and motorists, but there are also formulas for bridges, airports, as well as for northern and southern territories. TNK Alphabet makes it possible to minimize maintenance and repairs, and at the same time it ensures the highest reliability and safety of road surfaces. Highways with TNK Alphabet content have high traffic capacity, and this allows car owners to save time. In 2011, the production volume of TNK Alphabet was almost 20,000 tonnes. This ensures TNK BP's leading position in terms of polymer-modified bitumen production. TNK Alphabet for high-quality roads.